Whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. If I have taken 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on the right side, and on left side if I have taken negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on, so together these numbers are called integers. These are positive integers and these are negative integers. Now I am going to teach you addition of integers. When two numbers have same sign, then add them and give the common sign. For example, if I consider 5 plus 8, as there is no sign before 5, so consider it as positive. Now both the numbers have same sign, so add them and give the common sign. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 and the common sign is positive. So positive 5 and positive 8 gives you positive 13. I am taking another example. If I consider negative 13 and negative 12. Now both the numbers have same sign, so add them. So 13 plus 12 gives you 25, and as both the numbers have same sign, so negative 13 and negative 12 gives you negative 25. Now we'll discuss about subtraction of integer. When two numbers have different sign, then subtract them and give the sign of the bigger number. For example, negative 8, positive 5. Both the numbers have different sign, so I am subtracting them. So 8 minus 5, which is 3, and the bigger number is 8, whose sign is negative, so it will be negative 3. So negative 8, positive 5 gives us negative 3. I am taking another example. If I'll consider 11 minus 19. As mentioned, 11 has no sign, so consider it as positive. Both the numbers have different signs, so subtract them. So 19 minus 11 gives you 8. Bigger number is 19 and whose sign is negative, so your answer will be negative 8. Thank you.